I hope it's focused. I can't even see the screen behind. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Canine Command. Now, my last video of noughts and crosses seemed to garner a lot of attention with you guys, and you seem to enjoy it. So I thought, let's just make some more lockdown videos. So the noughts and crosses one was pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy. The dogs have some fun. But this one is going to be a crime scene challenge. Now, the object of this game is you have your favorite kibble. You have your most patient dog, so Jax. I've chosen Jax over Ace because he has a lot more patience than my No Boundary Spaniel. And the aim is to get your dog into a lie down position, like a crime scene investigation. See where we're going with this? Clever, right? And you put the kibble around your dog. Oh, steady. Oh, true. Yeah, the aim is to put the kibble around the dog, so you're left with the dog outline, like the dog died, like in the TV shows. Now, it takes a lot of patience. We did not do this in our first try because Jax was like, "Hey Dad, what are you doing with my food?" And so, yeah, it worked out well. So we're going to show you our attempt and we'd love to see yours. Let's go.